study spectrum. Students, today we have a new topic with us, that is the circumference and area of a circle. This topic has been taken from your textbook of 8th standard of Maharashtra State Board, and this chapter number 7 is on page number 47 of your textbook. You can see there. Now, our topic is the circumference and area of a circle. Before moving towards our topic, let me explain you some about circle. What a circle is and what are its dimensions. At first, this figure is a circle. This is a circle, and this distance is known as the circumference of a circle. इसे और अच्छे से हम समझ सकते हैं. If we take a wire and just change the wire into the shape of a ring, if we take a wire and change the shape of the wire into the shape of a ring, then that will be a wire in the shape of a circle, and the length of that wire will be equal to the circumference of the circle. The length of that wire will be equal to the circumference of the circle. So, this is the circumference of the circle, and the circumference of the circle is denoted by the letter C. Here, C is circumference of the circle. Now, if you draw the circle with the help of a compass, then one end point of compass is placed here and you draw the circle like this. So, this point is known as the center of the circle. What is this? This is known as the center of the circle. Let us denote it by O. Then O will be the center of the circle. Now, what is the radius of the circle and diameter of the circle? The distance from O to any other point on the circle. Means, if you write a line like this, and here I denote this point as M. So then this OM will be your radius. ऐसे ही सेंटर से आप सर्कल के किसी भी पॉइंट तक अगर एक लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं, that will be called as your radius. So here OM is your radius, and radius is also denoted by the letter R. So this will be radius of the circle. Now, if you join 2 points of circle, means if one point is here and if one point is here, if you join the 2 points of the circle and the joining line is going through the center of the circle, then that line will be called your diameter. That line will be your diameter. Means, if I am drawing this, A and B are the points, and I am joining these 2 points with line AB, and this line is going through the center of the circle. That's why this AB will be your diameter. So here AB is your diameter, and diameter is also shown as D. So this will be the diameter of the circle. Am I clear? Let us revise it once again. We have our chapter with the topic the circumference and area of the circle. So, let us start with some explanation regarding the circle. This is a circle and this is the center of the circle. And if you join this center of the circle to the any other point on the circle, then this will be our radius of the circle. Here OM, that is R, that is equal to radius of the circle. And if we join 2 points on the circle with a line going through the center, then this AB will be known as our diameter of the circle, and diameter is also denoted by D. Now, one point to remember here, the diameter is always 2 times of radius. What have I written here? The diameter is always 2 times of radius. Means diameter हमेशा radius का 2 गुना होता है. What is our diameter here? D. So let's write here D. D is always equal to 2 times of radius. What? D is always equal to 2 times of radius. You have to remember this point for further questions and answers. The diameter is always 2 times of radius. So D is always equal to 2 times of radius. So here we have understood about center of the circle, circumference of the circle, radius of the circle, and diameter of the circle. And the diameter is always 2 times of the radius. Now, in our chapter we have 2 topics, the circumference of the circle and the area of the circle. So let us start with our first topic, the circumference of the circle. Now, what is our topic? The circumference of the circle. And as I have told you, the circumference of the circle is the total length of the circle. This is our circumference of the circle. So let's start with this topic. First topic is circumference of the circle. And the circumference of the circle is denoted by the letter C. So we write here in brackets C. The circumference of the circle is C. Now, what is the relation between the circumference of the circle and the diameter of the circle? Let us find out the relation. So here our next topic will be the relation between the circumference and the diameter of the circle. What is the relation between the circumference and the diameter of the circle? The ratio of circumference to the diameter of any circle means if you are taking a circle and so this circle is having a circumference and diameter, so the circumference of the circle of any circle to its diameter, the ratio of circumference of any circle to its diameter will always be equal to a constant number, and that constant number will be an irrational number. So circumference upon diameter. This is the ratio of circumference to the diameter. If you have told you have to find the ratio of diameter to the circumference, then diameter will be in numerators and circumference will be in the denominator. But here we have told that you have to find the relation between the circumference and the diameter of the circle. So the relation between them is the ratio of circumference of any circle to its diameter is always a constant number, and here that constant number is a Greek letter pi. क्या कहा जाता है इसको? pi. This is a Greek letter, and here this is a symbol used for the constant. Pi is here is a Greek letter here used as a symbol. So the ratio of circumference to the diameter is always equal to the constant, and this constant is an irrational number. Now circumference can be written as C upon diameter is D and equals to pi. C upon D is equal to pi. But D is equal to 2r. Why? Because diameter is always 2 times of radius. So this step will change to the next step, in which C upon, instead of D we will write 2r. 2r equals to pi. So our formula for the circumference of a circle will be C equals to 2 pi r. So what is formula of circumference of the circle? C is equal to 2 pi r. This is the formula which we will use for our further calculation. What have we done? We have asked to find out the relation between the circumference and the diameter of the circle. So the ratio of circumference of any circle to its diameter is always equal to a constant number pi, and which is an irrational number, and it is a Greek letter which is here used as a symbol of constant. So circumference means C upon diameter D is equal to pi. But here D is equal to 2r, because the diameter of any circle is 2 times of the radius of that circle. So D is equal to 2r. So here C upon, instead of D I wrote 2r, and this 2r is in division operation with C. So after going to the right hand side of the equal to, it will be in the multiplication operation. So here C will be equal to 2 pi r, and this is the required formula for us to find out the circumference of any circle. So dear students, now we have our formula for the circumference of the circle, and that is C is equal to 2 pi r. Now, what will be the unit of this circumference of the circle? This will be centimeters, meters, or any other. If the radius is given in centimeters, then our circumference will also be in centimeters only. You will not write here centimeter square, because circumference is just the length of the circle. That's why the unit will be only centimeters, meters, or so on. Now, here we are having this formula. Now, in which different ways we can show the relationship between the diameter, the circumference, and radius? Relationship between D for diameter, R for radius, and circumference for C of circle. At first, we can write C is equal to 2 pi r. That is our formula. Second, D is equal to 2r. Diameter is always 2 times of radius. Third one, if here C and instead of 2r we write D, then we have C is equal to pi D. And if we take this pi to the left hand side of the equal to, then the value of D will be C upon pi. So our next relationship is equal to D equals to C upon pi. So here are these ways in which we can describe the relationship between diameter, radius, and circumference of the circle. Now, what about the value of pi? What is pi? Pi is a Greek letter which is here used as a symbol for the constant, and the value of pi is what is the value of pi? The value of pi is 3.141592 and so on. This is the value of pi. But this decimal is non-terminating decimal. What are non-terminating decimals? If we divide a number by any other number and the division is continuously going on, the division is not ending at any point, that decimal, those type of decimals are known as non-terminating decimal. So here the value of pi is this, and this is a non-terminating decimal. Now, the value of 22 by 7 is 3.142, which is very near to the value of pi. So, the value of pi is sometimes taken as 22 by 7 or 3.14. We will take the value up to 2 decimal forms only. So, our value of pi will be either 22 by 7 or 3.14. We can take both the values for solving the questions. So, here you have understood very well about the value of pi and the relationship between D, R and C. This concept will be more clear to you if we start doing our examples relating to circumference, radius and diameter of the circle. So let's start with the example number 1.
Lot of students waste their precious time watching cartoons, movies, reality shows on TV. Then they waste their time on social networking
we
sites.
have told a circle.
When the students sit to study, they are unable to concentrate to get your studies finished, and they get low marks in exams. Parents shell out tons of money from their pockets for coaching classes. But who knows what is taught in these classes? Teachers at times get bugged up when you ask them questions. YouTube has a lot of information but little of use. This is where Study Spectrum TV channel comes in picture. Every chapter explained by different teachers with different examples and repeat telecasts. We remember 20% of the audio ads we hear, 30% of the printed items we see. But we remember 70% of the audio visuals. That is why video teaching is a powerful medium to learn. After watching Study Spectrum TV channel, you get a peaceful sleep with no tensions and no worries. You devote less time towards your studies and you get better marks in your exams. Visit us on www.studyspectrum.com. Follow us on Facebook. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe for Study Spectrum TV channel and keep edifying.
In example number 1, we have told that a circle is having a diameter 7 cm and you have to find out the circumference of the circle. What is given? The diameter of the circle. जो दिया है, first we will write that. What is given? The diameter of the circle. So we will write here D for diameter. D is 7 cm. Now, what is the question? What will be the circumference of the circle? So, we don't have a circumference. So, I will put here a question mark for circumference. Now, what is the formula for the circumference of the circle? That is 2 pi r. But, here I have shown the relationship between C and D. That is C equals to pi d. Here I can use this formula because D is given. If you apply this formula, then it is also okay because 2r is equal to D. So, C equals to pi d. Here we will apply the formula C equals to pi d for the circumference of this circle. So, our formula is C is equal to pi d. What is C? The circumference of the circle. Now, what is the value of pi? Here I have shown you. Either I can take the value of pi equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. But in our question there is not any decimal form given. So we will take our value of pi as 22 by 7. So here instead of pi we will write 22 by 7 into what is D? 7. Now here 7 and 7 will be cancelled. Then we have left just 22. So the circumference of this circle, which is having diameter of 7 cm, will be equal to 22 cm, and this will be our answer. Simple question था. क्या बोला गया था हमें? A circumference of a circle is not given. You have to find that if the diameter of the circle is given. And what is diameter given? 7 cm. Now, you have to find the circumference of the circle. You have simply applied the formula for the circumference of the circle in which a D is there. If you apply the formula C is equal to 2 pi r, then it will also be correct. But in the next step, you will have to write D instead of 2r. So let's start with the formula C is equal to pi d, because in this formula we are having a D here. Now on substituting the values, we get the value of pi 22 by 7 into D 7 cm. So here 7 ones are 7, so these two 7s are cancelled and C is equals to 22 and it is our final answer for the circumference of the circle. Now let's move to the second example. In example number 2, we have given the radius of the circle. What we have given? The radius of the circle, and which is equal to 35 cm. In last question, we have given the diameter, but in this question we have given radius of the circle. We have to find the circumference of the circle. Both questions are same. We have to find circumference in both the questions, but in example number first we had given the diameter of the circle, and in this example we are given the radius of the circle. Now which formula would we apply here? C equals to 2 pi r. Why so? Because radius is given in this question. So we can easily put the value of radius is here. So we will apply the formula C is equal to 2 pi r. Now 2 as it is. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into what is the value of r? It's 35. What have we done? We have just substituted the values given. 2 as it is, pi 22 by 7 and r which is given 35 centimeter. Now just cancel out this 35 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. Now what we are left with? 2 into 22 into 35. 22 into 2, 44, because 2 2s are 44 and 2 2s are 4. Here 44 into 35. What will be the value of 44 into 35? Let's find out. Here we will multiply 44 by 35. 5 4s are 20. 2 carry forward. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 3 4s are 12. 1 carry. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. And on adding this we get 0, 4, 5 and 1. So our circumference for this circle, which is having the radius 35 centimeter, will be equal to 1540 centimeters. What will be our radius? 1540 centimeter, and it is very necessary to put a unit here, and without unit your answer will not be completed. So students, we have solved here two questions. In the first question we had given the diameter of the circle, and in the second question we have given the radius of the circle. And in first example we have put the formula C is equals to pi d, because the value of d is given and we have a formula C is equals to pi d. And in the next example we have given the radius, so we have put here the formula C is equals to 2 pi r, because radius is given. And after solving both the sums we get our desired circumferences relating to these circles.